I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have headers and consistent cell colors. Now begin. Select the range or table and enable filter with Ctrl plus Shift plus L so filter arrows appear. You do this because Excel's color filters attach to column menus. Without them, you can't pick colors. Once done, click the column arrow that contains colored cells. Make sure to use table if you will add rows, because table filters auto-expand. Also check that colors are actual cell fills, not conditional icons, before moving on. You'll now apply color filters and combine them with other conditions. Click the column arrow, choose Filter by Color, then pick Fill Color or Font Color. Excel immediately narrows the view. If you need mixed logic, create a helper column, use a color detecting formula or get. Cell via named range, then filter that helper alongside your main column with custom filter rules. Once done, use and slash or conditions in the custom filter dialog to refine results. Make sure formulas recalc when changing fills. Finish by reviewing the filtered set and exporting if needed. Copy visible rows and paste special values into a new sheet to lock the selection. You do this because filters are view-only until you paste values. If filters behave oddly, check whether colors are applied by cell fill or by conditional formatting. Conditional colors require testing rules or helper formulas. Make sure to clear filters when done. If things go wrong, rebuild the helper column and recalculate with F9 to refresh color detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.